Hey guys, so I actually am pretty excited. I went to Walmart and went around the corner to the toy section, and they had a whole row of shelves that had a bunch of the mini fridges and then a whole bunch of these balls. They're $9.97, I think, so about $10 a ball, which is way better than the price at Showcase, which is like $26 a ball. So, like I said, buy them at Walmart. So we're gonna open a couple here in this video. I got a fair amount of these, so we're gonna definitely fill that fridge, I tell you. Maybe even one of the extras that I have, since I now have 5. Alright. So we'll go through the list that I have first, because we have checked stuff off. So I have a caramel syrup that came with the fridge. So I had checked it off and then I realized it was a different color. So we have a caramel one. We don't have the chocolate. We've had a couple of the Pizza Hut. Some milk, a cup of water. We got broccoli. The fruit tray. The oats. We had fish and lobster. For the fridge magnets, we have the coffee, the record, and the tea kettle, and the watermelon that comes if you buy the fridge. And then we have... Why is there a Hershey syrup on this one, too? Okay. We have the strawberry vanilla pop. We had IHOP's burger and fries and the sushi. We have had the hot honey. We had the honey glazed ham, Eggo waffles, and jelly. So, let's see what this ball has to offer. Okay, so the magnet is usually... we got a little ice cream cone. That's going on the freezer door. And then I think I'm going to open the green packages first. Okay. We got, lamb chops. And then we got turmeric shot. Ooh, I don't know about that. Alright. It's a funky shape. What is it gonna be? Oh, it's more oats. Yeah, the oats one is actually a really funky shape. Alright. Yellow. I don't know what the color difference is. We got... Ooh, it's squishy. Oh, it's squishy. Original sausage patties. It's squishy, guys. Okay. Distracted. Then we got... Ooh, mayo. And our final one for this ball is... Oh, we got a pop. We got the strawberry marble pop. So let's quickly check these off the list. So we got lamb chops. We got the turmeric. I don't know how I... Don't think I would ever actually drink a thing of turmeric. The strawberry pop. Kind of want to get some of the takeout. I think the takeout looks cool. I don't see those sausages on here. There's the mayo. Oh, there they are. They're Morning Star Farms. Alright. So we'll slide these over by the fridge. And we'll pop open a second ball for this video. Alright. 1, 2 layers. If I can get that off. Okay. I'm gonna have so many of these again. We got the French coffee cup again. Alright. So, let's pull the yellow apart. Okay. We'll start with the blue ones, or the tealy green ones again. We got another jar of oats. Oh my gosh, if I get the same of everything, because I feel like this is lamb chops. Okay, I'm sensing a pattern here, guys. Is this going to be another duplicate? It is! It's another turmeric. Holy Toledo. What are the odds? Okay, maybe these ones will be different. Yes, we got shredded hash browns. Score. Good breakfast food. Okay, then we got Pizza Hut. Is it the missing pizza? Yeah, it's Hawaiian. Score. We got the missing Pizza Hut pizza. And then our last yellow. What are we gonna get? Ooh, we got the classic grape pop. Okay, so 3 new ones. That's not bad. It was looking like it was going to turn out a lot worse than it did. So we've had all the Pizza Hut pizzas. We need the giant combo box and the wing box. We have now had the shredded hash browns. We need the tater tots. We also need the bagel bites. So, alright, that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one.